Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, and I am back with another tutorial. So in this video I will talk about how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. So if in case your Facebook account has been hacked and all the information has been changed like your password, your mobile number or email address, so how you can recover it. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you that please use the same device that you use to log into Facebook every day. Don't use a new device as Facebook keeps a track of your login location. Okay, so that may prove helpful. So make sure you use the same device that you use every day to use Facebook. So let's start now. So first of all, you have to go to Google in a browser and then type Facebook hacked account or hacked Facebook account, and then search for it. So you will get the official link at the top. Click on that, hacked and Facebook fake accounts. Okay, so here it is. Now you can see I think my Facebook account was hacked or someone is using it without my permission. So click on that link and you will get all the related information that what happens when your Facebook account gets hacked. So here you have to click on this link, visit this page to secure your Facebook account. Okay, so now as you can see it is showing my account is compromised. Click on the option and here you have to enter the current password or old password. Okay, so I know you only remember the old password, so that is not a problem. Just enter your Facebook email address, okay, using which you have created the account, and after that enter the old password, Facebook password that you remember. Okay, so now maybe your password has been changed and you don't remember or you don't know the new password, that's why you are not able to log in. So it is not a problem, you just have to enter the password that you remember and then press continue. Now here you will be asked that you have indicated that your account has been hacked. To get back into your account, please identify yourself. If you don't think your account was hacked, you can cancel. So here you have to enter your email address or phone number that is linked to your Facebook account and then click on search. Now you will get so many accounts with the same name, so you have to search for your account and then click on this is my account if you identify your account. Okay, so now again you have to enter the current or old password. So simply enter the old password that you remember and press continue, and after that you will be allowed to log in or your account will be simply reactivated. Okay, so that's all about this video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and if you have any queries or suggestions you can mention in the comment box down below. Okay, and if you have any feedback you can visit our website, that is getassist.net, and you can share your feedback there. Thank you for watching.